Cadillac President Johan de Nysschen visited with writers at a current roundtable, explaining everything from household dashing to Chinese assembling. The brand's been completing a moderate consume on taking off new items and expanding deals, yet in fact, there was a considerable measure of work to do. Subsequent to finishing off a year ago 0.8% down in the US, the residential extravagance mark is in excess of 5% up so far this year, because of sound twofold digit knocks for the ATS and Escalade, and expanded armada deals. All inclusive, the brand's completing 21% better. The XT5 still surpasses everything, however. Gotten some information about moderate car deals, de Nysschen referred to a couple of reasons, one of them vitality costs, which are sufficiently low to fuel the hybrid fever. You can likewise read that as another affirmation that Cadillac doesn't have enough hybrids to satisfy the group, a reality the XT4 will soon address. However, de Nysschen likewise pegged the car disquietude on more youthful customers who truly are less tuned into progression and taking care of and those things that used to energize devotees. It's more about the way autos supplement and empower their way of life now. He finished that with an interpretation of US streets, saying, "I additionally need to state it might likewise be affected a smidgen by the rot of America's foundation. At the point when streets never again bolster superior game vehicles and ultra-low-profile elastic, individuals will react to it."